Hello, everyone. Welcome to Top Compared. If you're looking to bring more nutrition and freshness into your daily routine, a reliable juicer can be a game changer. From quick centrifugal machines to nutrient-rich slow juicers, today we're breaking down the top 5 best juicers that stand out for performance, ease of use, and juice quality. All product links are given in the description, so check them out for the latest deals and details. Now let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the NutriBullet Juicer Pro. Best for beginners type, centrifugal juicer with dual speeds. Features: wide 3-inch feed chute, dishwasher-safe parts, large pulp bin. Best for beginners looking for quick, easy juicing. Pros: affordable, fast operation, easy to clean. The NutriBullet Juicer Pro is user-friendly and perfect for anyone new to juicing. At number 4, we have the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. Best centrifugal juicer type, high-speed centrifugal juicer. Features: cold spin technology, extra wide chute, 70-ounce juice jug. Best for busy households that want speed and large servings. Pros: fast, large capacity, reduces heat for better nutrition. Breville's Juice Fountain Cold Plus combines speed with a design that helps preserve vitamins and nutrients. At number 3, we have the Hurom H400 Easy Clean. Best easy to clean, juicer type, slow masticating juicer. Features: strainer-free design, self-feeding hopper, minimal cleanup. Best for anyone who wants high-quality juice without tough cleanup. Pros: easy to clean, compact, smooth, nutrient-rich juice. The Hurom H400 makes juicing effortless with its easy clean design. At number 2, we have the Nama J2 Cold Press Juicer. Best hands-free juicer type, cold press slow juicer. Features: auto cutting chamber, large hopper, nutrient-dense extraction. Best for families or health enthusiasts who juice daily. Pros: hands-free, quiet operation, excellent juice yield. The Nama J2 is a favorite for daily juicing, letting you drop in whole fruits and walk away. And finally, at number 1, we have the Omega VSJ 843QS. Best overall juicer type, vertical slow juicer. Features: dual edge auger, quiet motor, high juice yield with dry pulp. Best for juice lovers who want maximum nutrition and durability. Pros: extremely efficient, long-lasting, premium build. The Omega VSJ 843QS is highly trusted for producing nutrient-rich juice with incredible consistency. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best juicers you can get right now. Whether you want speed, easy cleaning, or maximum nutrition, there's a juicer here that fits your lifestyle. All product links are in the description, so check them out for the latest prices and details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top recommendations.